Monica Barbaro is an American actress known for her work in television series such as Unreal, Chicago, PD, Chicago Justice, The Good Cop, and Splitting Up Together. Her feature film debut was in the independent film The Cathedral. Barbaro was born on June 17, 1990 to Heidi and Nicholas Barbaro. She has a sister Eva and a brother Michael. Barbaro's father is Italian American and her mother is of Mexican, German, and Nicaraguan descent. Her parents divorced when she was a child. Barbaro was born in San Francisco and grew up in Mill Valley, California, where she graduated from Tamalpais High School in 2007. Barbaro's breakthrough came with a supporting role in the action film Top Gun: Maverick, which she followed with starring roles in the Netflix action comedy series Fever and as Joan Baez in the biopic A Complete Unknown. For the latter, she was nominated for the SAG Award and Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress. In April 2025, it was announced that Barbaro would be making her stage debut, acting in a West End revival of the French play Les Liaisons Dangereuses at the National Theatre. She will be starring opposite Leslie Manville and Aidan Turner with direction by Marianne Elliott. In 2024, she played activist and folk singer Joan Baez in the James Mangold directed Bob Dylan biopic A Complete Unknown starring Timothy Chalamet. Barbaro took singing and guitar lessons to prepare for this role. For her performance, she received multiple accolades, including nominations for the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress and the Screen Actors Guild Award for Outstanding Performance by a Female Actor in a Supporting Role. Barbaro gained attention in 2013 for her lead role in It's Not About the Nail, a viral comedy short about communication in a marriage. Her first major television role was portraying the character of Earl on the second season of the Lifetime television series Unreal. Following Unreal, Barbaro joined the cast of NBC legal drama Chicago Justice, an entry in Dick of Chicago franchise, 13 in which she portrayed Anna Valdez. In 2018, Barbaro also played Cora Vasquez on Netflix's The Good Cop alongside Josh Groban and Tony Danza. Between 2018 and 2019, Barbaro had a recurring part in the ABC sitcom Splitting Up Together. In the 2022 blockbuster Top Gun: Maverick, Barbaro portrayed Lieutenant Natasha Phoenix Trace, a naval aviator 16. The following year, Barbaro starred in the romantic comedy At Midnight 2023. The film received mixed reviews for its story, but Barbaro earned acclaim for her performance. San Francisco Chronicle declared, Barbaro proves with seemingly effortless charm that she can carry a rom-com. Barbaro, a professional dancer, was able to lend her talents in a scene that involved the two leads dancing a combination of salsa and the tango.